Welcome to Top 5 Best Report. The best Weber air filter is probably one of the most crucial components for optimizing your engine's performance and longevity, ensuring that the air entering your carburetor is clean and free from contaminants that could otherwise lead to reduced power, poor fuel efficiency, and even internal engine damage, making it an indispensable upgrade for any automotive enthusiast seeking to maintain or enhance their vehicle's operational integrity. Number 5. X-Home Flavorizer Bars for Weber Spirit 200 Series. Ensure a perfect fit for your Weber Spirit 200 Series gas grill. These are designed specifically for models with front-mounted controls, including the ES210 and ES220. Crafted from superior porcelain enameled steel, these replacement bars are built to last. Enjoy long-lasting performance for all your grilling needs. Each bar measures 15.3 inches long and 3.5 inches wide, with a height of 2.5 inches. They fit seamlessly without any need for modification. These bars are designed to distribute heat evenly across your grill. This ensures consistent cooking and greatly enhances the flavor of your food. Achieve more professional barbecue results with these essential grill components. They help you create delicious meals every time you grill. These are compatible with Weber Spirit 200 Series grills from 2013 to 2017, specifically those with front-mounted controls. Please note they are not suitable for the Weber Spirit 300 Series. What we like. This product is designed for a perfect fit with specific Weber grill models. It's made from durable porcelain enameled steel for long-lasting use. If you're looking to enhance your grilling flavor and ensure even heat distribution on your Weber Spirit 200 Series grill, this is a great choice. What people say. They were made from heavy-gauge steel and were well constructed. They distribute heat evenly and help get rid of flare-ups. They are noticeably heavier and thicker than the original ones, so I expect them to last a lot longer. Number 4. Empi 9025 Chrome Air Cleaner. Introducing the Empi 9025 Chrome Air Cleaner, designed to enhance your air-cooled Volkswagen experience. This high-quality cleaner is perfect for your classic bug, Baja, or sand rail. Specifically engineered for air-cooled VWs and VW-based dune buggies, it ensures a seamless fit. Enjoy improved performance and a stylish look for your vehicle. Our air cleaner is fully compatible with Volkswagen engines and VW-based dune buggies. Trust in Empi for reliable and durable automotive parts. This cleaner is an ideal match for your Weber DGV, DGAV, and DGEV carburetors. It helps maintain optimal engine function and longevity. Choose the Empi 9025 for a superior air intake solution. It's the perfect addition for any enthusiast looking to maintain or upgrade their classic VW. What we like. This air cleaner offers a stylish chrome finish and is specifically designed for air-cooled VWs and VW-based dune buggies. If you own a classic Volkswagen or a custom build and want a period-correct, high-quality air intake component, this is the one to consider. What people say. Easy to install. Nice looking. Perfect fit. Kit fits very well and causes no issues. Number 3. K&N Hi-Flow E3952 Engine Air Filter. Experience a significant boost in power and acceleration. Our advanced filtration media allows up to 50% more airflow compared to standard paper filters, preventing a potential 10% loss in performance. Get a quick performance upgrade with this simple drop-in replacement. It comes pre-oiled and fits directly into your factory air box, making it one of the most cost-effective modifications you can make. Invest in long-term savings. By choosing this reusable filter, you can avoid the recurring cost of disposable filters and save up to $250 over a decade. Make a sustainable choice for your vehicle. This washable and reusable filter reduces waste by lasting longer than 10 disposable filters combined. Ensure your engine's longevity with superior protection. It effectively shields your engine from damaging contaminants, pushing the boundaries of engine safety. Enjoy hassle-free performance for miles to come. You can drive up to 50,000 miles before needing to clean it under normal highway conditions. Trust in American craftsmanship. This premium filter is built to last, ensuring high quality and reliability for your vehicle. What we like. Experience a significant boost in engine power and acceleration with its high-flow filtration media. This washable and reusable filter saves you money over time by eliminating the need for disposable filters. If you're seeking an easy, cost-effective upgrade for improved performance and long-term value for your vehicle, this is an excellent option. What people say. Reusable. Cleans easy. Probably saves you money if you run in dusty conditions. This is the perfect K&N replacement for a Weber 3236 carb. Filter fit almost perfectly on my Weber 38 Outlaw carburetor, for my 85 Toyota pickup 22R. I just had to trim a tiny piece of rubber from the filter, not a big deal, and it fits perfectly. Will buy from again when I need a new filter. K&N filters are the best. Number 2. Weber Redline 3236 DGV Air Filter Element. Ensure optimal engine performance with this premium air filter. It's designed to capture dust and debris, keeping your engine clean. Protect your engine from harmful contaminants. This filter element provides a crucial barrier against particles that can cause wear and tear. This is a direct replacement for your existing air filter. Installation is straightforward, ensuring a perfect fit for your Weber carburetor. Crafted with durable materials, this air filter is built to last. It offers reliable filtration for extended periods. Breathe new life into your vehicle's performance. A clean air filter is essential for efficient fuel combustion and power delivery. This specific part number ensures compatibility with your Weber carburetor. It's the exact fit you need for reliable operation. What we like. This air filter element is a direct replacement designed for specific Weber carburetors. It's made from high-quality materials to ensure optimal performance. If you have a Weber Redline 3236 DGV, DGAV, or DGEV carburetor and need a reliable filter, this is the perfect fit. What people say. OEM Weber air filter. Great price and works right. It fits my Weber carb perfectly. Perfect filter and fit for my Jeep's carb. Number 1. Weber Redline Air Filter Kit DFV Series DFEV DFAV 258. Introducing the Weber Redline Air Filter Kit, designed for optimal performance. This kit is engineered to enhance your engine's breathing capabilities. Specifically crafted for the DFV series, this air filter ensures a perfect fit and superior filtration. Experience the difference precision engineering makes. Upgrade your DFEV or DFAV with this high-performance air filter. It's designed to maximize airflow, leading to improved power and efficiency. Featuring a 258 diameter, this filter provides a secure and effective seal. It's the ideal size for a wide range of applications. Choose the Weber Redline Air Filter Kit for unparalleled air filtration. It's the smart choice for enthusiasts seeking peak engine performance. Identify this essential upgrade with part number 99217.473. Ensure you're getting the genuine Weber Redline quality for your vehicle. What we like. This is a complete air filter kit designed for the Weber DFV series DFEV DFAV carburetors. It ensures a precise fit and straightforward installation. If you're working on a vehicle with these specific Weber carburetors and need a hassle-free, all-in-one solution, this kit is ideal. What people say. Fits great. Perfect fit but no nuts included to attach bottom plate to carb, only bolts. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.